Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is BTC Rolls here. So let's begin with our part 2 on how to use Faucethub IO account. So in part 1 I showed you how to register, login and some few basics about how to link your wallet address and how to get the premium account and how to check your balance over here and how to check the stats on how many claims from which all website you did and the type of the claims and how much you earned and the chat box basic rules and how the experience is gained. So let's continue with the part 2. And in part 1 I also showed how to get the faucet lists. So in this part I will show you how to check your stats. Before I showed you the stat of this website, now I will tell you how to check your statistics on how many coins you earned. So when you click on this menu, the status menu, you will be directed to this page. So when the page is loaded, you can see your statistics, how much you earned and all the graphs related to it. This is my statistics page on how many coins I earned. So this is this month earning. I earned 42 this month. Litecoins earned, Doc coins earned. Well, my earnings are little less as I don't use that much lately because I'm busy with other works. But if I claim continuously and work on this site, I earn more than 10 lakh to 20 lakh Satoshi per month. If you give 100%, you will be earning more Satoshis in no time. So this is the statistics per day, how much we are earning. This is the graphs from where you are getting the max earns and the statistics from which site, how many payouts you are getting. So this is the statistics of your user account. If you go to withdraw option, you can see all the coins listed and the withdraw history. Before I had just withdrawn 57,000 Satoshi. When you click here, withdraw balance, you will get this page. I will withdraw and show you. Select the wallet address to which you want to withdraw. So I will select my Bitcoin address where I want to withdraw my amount and enter here your amount. Make sure it is in BTC. Request withdrawal. Click on request withdrawal, submit withdrawal request. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours to reflect on your BTC wallet. So I withdrawed, so now you can see my balance is 0. Within 24 hours I will get my Satoshis. Here is the deposit menu. Go to deposit menu. You can also deposit your Satoshis in this website for buying different altcoins. If you're faucet manager, you can buy different coins for your faucets directly from here. So if you want to deposit bitcoins, when you click here generate bitcoin address, you will get a bitcoin address for depositing, and you can deposit your bitcoin. See, it's showing the BTC deposit address has been generated. So here is your deposit address. You have to just deposit your BTCs in this address and it will reflect on your address, and it will come here in Faucethub. Click on free Bitcoin. In here you can see when you click on free Bitcoins, you can earn free Bitcoins from here. Here is the details on how it is working. There are different offer walls where you can complete offers, or BTC sites where you can watch ads and click on ads and get some coins. So here one Faucethub bucks is 0.8706 Satoshi. Faucethub bucks are converted to Satoshi when you complete an offer. So whenever you are completing any offer or any service, you will get your earnings. Now go to securities page. Click on security menu. Here you can see you can put two-factor authentication for more security of your account, and you can view your activity log over here by clicking on view activity log. Here you can see what all activities were done in your account, so that you can know that it was you only. If some unauthorized person has accessed your account, you will come to know that it was not you. See, it will show you that activity, like just now I generated a deposited address, I submitted a withdraw submit request, then chat box comment and all. 25 minutes ago I had chatted over here. So all, and through which IP address I'm accessing this account is also being shown, so you can track all the activities for safety. Now go to settings account. This is the settings menu. Here you can see basic account details, your username, email address, and if you want to change your username, you have to pay 10,000 BTC. So make sure to enter the good username which you want, so that you don't have to change it later. So make sure which username you want to go with. Then if you can get a new address, you can get a new password from here when you click on forgot password. And this is the CSS for the username. I have put my CS and I have purchased it for 50,000 Satoshi. So my CS you can see over here. These are the normal CS user, and minus this you can customize your CS by purchasing it for 50,000 Satoshi. Now let's go to more option. Here before I had shown you premium account, then here it's anti-fraud status. You can see any anti-fraud done in your account. Then news option, help option, fees. If you go to free Bitcoin over here, click on free Bitcoin menu. So here again you can see it is the same free Bitcoin menu. Both are same, before which I showed you on how to earn extra Satoshis other than claiming from faucets by completing offer walls. Now let's go to games. Here in games menu you can see Turbo Lottery, Raw Paper Bitcoin and Rambo Dice. So let's go to lottery page. So when you come to lottery page, you can see the lottery. Here you can buy lottery tickets to participate in the lottery. Lottery rounds are every 5 minutes. One ticket is of 10. Click on buy ticket. So you will buy one ticket with 10 bitcoins. And then it will show you your chances of winning. You have one ticket and your chance of winning is 0.57%. So after that, you can see if the more tickets you buy, the more chances is there to win. In last round, this user ID got this many satoshis, he won. And these are the top lottery winners. The more tickets you buy, the more chances are there to get a prize. In this round, there are tickets bought are 195. When the tickets increases, the prize amount also increases. So let's go to the next game, rock paper bitcoin. So this is the rock paper bitcoin page. Minimum for betting is 100 satoshi. Well, I don't have that much, so I will not be betting over here, but you can play this game and earn more satoshis by winning it. Rambo Bitcoin Dice. Let's go to Rambo Bitcoin Dice. This is the Rambo Bitcoin Dice page. The bet is fun, and you can if you are a premium member, you can play with autoplay and it will be betting by automatic bot, and each 100 bet gives you every 100 bet gives you 1 experience for leveling up. And then when you press roll, the bot starts rolling and you start earning. You can earn more bitcoins from there. So these were the 3 games. If you go to check balance, you can check your balance. In order to check balance, you have to enter your currency address and then press check status and you will get your status. So I'll enter my BTC address and click on check status. So here you can see the status of that particular address. Similarly, you can see all the other status for the remaining coins, Bitcoin or any other coin. Just enter your wallet address and then you can see the stat. Now let's go to exchange. So when you click on this exchange menu button, you will get this currency exchange where you can buy and sell currencies. So in order to sell currencies, let's click on place sell order. As soon as you click place sell order, you will get this page. Select the currency you want to sell. Currently I have one Dogecoin, so I will show you how to place an order for one Dogecoin. So one Dogecoin is currently 94. Let's place an order. As soon as you place an order, see here you can see you have successfully opened a sell order for one Dogecoin. Okay, so someone just bought it. The order has been filled and I got 94 BTCs. So let's see. We will go to user dashboard. Here you can see the individual transactions received, exchanged, what all transactions has been done. You can see over here, and you can see your order history from here. All the order histories. And now I will show you how to buy. Click on buy. So when you click on buy, you get this page and you can place your buy order and buy coins. Currently I'm not going to buy any coins. So let's go to user board. You can see my balance increased. Before it was less and I sold one Dogecoin and my balance got increased. For this, so this is the end of the video. More I will show you in part 3. Hope you like.